Hi everyone, Pulkit here. In this video, I am going to be giving you a demo of my new project, AI ML based market trend prediction system. So basically it uses machine learning and predicts the market movement, price movement based on some technical indicators and machine learning. We are going to be using XGBoost to calculate the accuracy of the model and then predict the price movement. If you directly want to skip to the demo part where I will be showing you how it works and how you can integrate it in your own systems, please feel free to skip to the timestamp appearing on your screen. By saying that, I'm going to be sharing my screen with you. So I hope you can see my screen. So this is the README file of my project. Once it is delivered to you, you can check all these contents, how to do the installation, what are the prerequisites. And by not wasting the time, let me just give you a quick walkthrough. So basically it has two types of classification mode, binary and multi-class. Binary is more aggressive. In this we only find out uptrend and downtrend, but in multi-class we also find out that if there is no clear trend. So if you are aiming for intraday trading, then go for multi-class mode. But if you are opting for long-term positions, then binary classification mode is the mode you go for. By default, I am using this one only, and I have kept my settings for very aggressive trend selection because for this video. So I am going to explain you step by step how I am going to be proceeding towards the model training. First of all, I am loading the data from the CSV. I have NIFTY historical data. So I have this 10 years of data, but I'm not going to do this on 10 years of data in front of you in this video because it is going to take a lot of time. And I will also explain you how you can do it on real-time trading, how you can use it. So first I'm going to load the data. Then I'm limiting my data size to 10,000 rows. That would be approx 2 months, 3 months data. Then I'm cleaning the data and removing zeros and null values so that when I train my model on it, it is not affected by wrong values. Once this is done, zeros and nan values are removed. Then I'm calculating technical indicators on it step by step. First, I am going to extract the indicator data, and then I am calculating ATR, RSI, moving averages, and then I'm calculating the slopes of these averages also. 80-degree slopes, 40-degree slopes, 160-degree slopes. Then I'm averaging those slopes also. Then I'm finding out the RSI slopes also, how fast the RSI is moving or how fast the EMA is changing its trend, so that from the historical data I can get a clear idea how much effect of these indicators are happening to the actual price movement. Once the technical indicators are taken, then I am finalizing a target value that for suppose price is at 100, my target value will be at 105 or 95. So this 5 rupees movement I am keeping as a target. Okay, this much movement we can expect in the next certain few candles. Okay, so once this is done, I have created my data frames in two ways. In first, I am putting all my indicator values right here, and in the second one I am adding one last parameter, my target. So these are all my independent features and this is my dependent feature. So my target is going to be dependent on these features, calculation of these features. Okay, then I am finding out, then I have divided these two data frames in X and Y, and I am using 20 split ratio. 100:20 means suppose I have 100 rows, so 20 I will keep for testing and 80 I will be keeping for training my data. We use this. So data ML model is collaborated on this particular 80 rows, and to test it, to test the accuracy of it, I'm going to be using the 20% remaining data, and I'm going to be testing how it is performing on that, so that when new bars are going to edit, how the model is predicting those values. And we can continuously keep on changing our data and keep on adding rows to our data. That is very easy to do it here. Then here I am training my model again and finding out the unique certain cases, test cases. Then this is my model XGB classifier, where n estimator I have put as 100. 100 is for very aggressive trading. So if you are trading in intraday, very small time frames, 5 minutes, 1 minute, 3 minutes, go for 100. But if the time frame is huge or more, like 30 minutes, 1 hour, then go for 150 or 200. Now max depth is 6 and job -1. I'm going to be using all my CPU cores on it. So here I am fitting the model. Here I am calculating how much time it is taken. Then here I am evaluating it. Once you have trained the model, then again I'm using my test data to predict what accuracy it has. Then I'm calculating the accuracy score and printing the necessary details over here. So once this is done, I am saving my model also. So in MLOps, whenever you train a model, you always save it, so that when new set of data comes, you can use this previous model and then compare it with new results, so that you can get an idea from the accuracy scores what improvement this data gave into your project. Okay. So now here I am listing all the important features, and process completed successfully. After this, it is going to whatever the scores I am getting for accuracy and a model prediction after the data, I am going to be giving either it is going to be a downtrend or an uptrend. That's it. This is my binary classification mode. In multi-classification mode, I will add one more input to it, no trend. So once this is done, it is going to print how fast the data is going to get predicted. So this is basically the whole logic of it. And these are my function to calculate the slope, target calculation. You can go into it in deep if you want to. Then once this is done, so now here comes the demo part. I'm going to be going to the folder location, and here is a run.bat file. Once you double click on it, it is going to start this particular script, and it is going to install each and everything on its own, or like all the requirements and all the things necessary for model fitment. And then it is going to run the main.py. See, it is going step by step, loading the data, calculating technical indicators. So it is gonna take some time for this. So I'm going to fast forward this particular lecture. But before doing so, let me explain you how you can use it on live trading. So right now I am taking 10,000 rows. That's huge. Sorry, 100,000 rows. So that's huge data set. But when you develop a Algo model in Python, Algo trading strategy, you fetch the historical data from your broker, you get the rows from the historical data, whatever indicators you have calculated, pre-calculated on it. You can use those indicators also and edit those lists to detect the trend from your strategy. In your strategy, suppose it is an EMA crossover. So at the time of crossover, you can create an async job where in backend it is keep on checking whether it is an uptrend or a downtrend, and in the trading decision if condition, you can add this also, whether if my trend is going to go upward, then only take this particular say trade. If it is going to get downward, then only do this trade. Or if my trend is downward but my trade is for upward, my target should be very small. So by these small changes, you can perfect your strategy more. You can use machine learning in your strategy to improve its accuracy. It will basically act as an indicator on your strategy. So now I'm going to fast forward it, and I have explained how you can add your live trading strategy with this. So let's see its result now. So very few no trend samples. So our as I've already told you, no trend, we got 8 out of these many scenarios. So strategy has predicted, according to me, a downtrend for this particular data. So you see, sample 1, actual downtrend, predicted also downtrend. But in sample 6, you see it is saying that actual trend is uptrend, but we have predicted downtrend. So this states that our data set, whatever data we are calculating it on, that 100,000 rows, is predicting that market is gonna go down. And you can see my data. I have data till 7th Feb. So after 7th Feb, data according to my model should have gone down. The trend should have gone down. So I'm gonna open my TradingView chart and see this. So I'm going to share my TradingView screen and explain you how it works. So in our model prediction, it says that it is that we are in a downtrend for next 1 month, because I only trained like 100,000 rows. So 2nd of Feb will be around somewhere here, and you can see all the way till March it is decreasing. So we predicted 1 month of data based on previous these rows. So market was already going down from past 2-3 months, and it predicted a downtrend for next 1 month. I had 1 minute data. So on daily, you can see very less rows, but when you compute 1 minute data and combine it in the code, it will become this much only. So that was it. If you like the project, please hit the like button to this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video among trading groups. It really helps us grow and give us motivation to continue and build new things for you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.